I've spent the past month talking to appliance repair technicians, going through service data, analyzing class action lawsuits, and reading through thousands of owner complaints. What I found is going to make some of you very angry, because one of the brands I'm about to tell you to avoid is probably sitting in your kitchen right now. Here's the thing about appliance repair shops. They see patterns that consumers never do. You buy one refrigerator every 10 to 15 years. They see hundreds of refrigerators every month. They know which brands come in over and over again with the same failures. They know which compressors last and which ones are ticking time bombs. And they know which brands have such bad quality control that some units work perfectly for 2 decades while others die within 3 years. Today, I'm giving you the Repairman's Blacklist, 3 refrigerator brands that technicians tell their own families to avoid, and then I'm giving you the 3 brands they actually recommend. If this video saves you from buying a refrigerator that's going to fail on you, hit subscribe and drop a comment telling me what refrigerator you're currently using. I actually read these and use them for future videos. Secure links are in the description. Let's start with the Blacklist. Blacklist number 3. Frigidaire Electrolux, the budget trap. Let me tell you something that appliance salespeople know but won't tell you. Frigidaire has been in decline for years. The brand was once synonymous with reliability. Your grandmother probably had a Frigidaire that ran for 30 years. But since Electrolux acquired the brand, manufacturing has shifted, cost-cutting has accelerated, and quality has dropped noticeably. Consumer Reports data shows Frigidaire with declining reliability ratings over the past 3 years. The New York Times surveyed readers for their refrigerator guide, and Frigidaire had the lowest satisfaction rating of any major brand. Repair technicians report seeing Frigidaire units on their daily routes constantly, though some admit certain models are decent. The technical reality is inconsistent quality control. Some Frigidaire refrigerators work fine for a decade. Others develop defrost system failures, compressor issues, or ice maker problems within the first few years. The problem is, you have no way of knowing which one you're getting until it's too late. Common complaints include defective water dispensers, premature door seal failures, and inconsistent temperature control across compartments. The sealed system components, the stuff that actually keeps food cold, are where the real problems show up. When these fail outside of warranty, repair costs often exceed what the refrigerator is worth. What really kills me is that Frigidaire prices their refrigerators like a premium brand while delivering budget brand reliability. You're paying $1,200 to $2,500 for refrigerators that have a coin flip chance of lasting past 5 years without major repairs. The honest recommendation? If your budget is truly limited, buy a basic Whirlpool or GE top freezer model. At least those brands have consistent quality control and parts availability. Frigidaire's lottery of quality isn't worth the gamble when you're storing your family's food. Blacklist number 2. LG, the Linear Compressor Disaster. LG is the most controversial brand on this list because their refrigerators actually review well. They look stunning in showrooms. The features are impressive. And on paper, you're getting premium features at competitive prices. So why are repair technicians telling people to avoid them? Because of the linear compressor. LG developed their proprietary linear compressor technology and marketed it as energy efficient and ultra-reliable, even advertising a 20-year lifespan. The reality has been catastrophic. LG has faced multiple class action lawsuits over compressor failures, settling one in 2020 that covered fridges made between 2014 and 2017. But here's the thing, consumers are still reporting the exact same problems with newer models. One analysis found LG refrigerators with a 30% failure rate within 5 years. The linear compressor technology, while energy efficient, has proven unreliable in real-world conditions. When these compressors fail, they often seize completely, requiring full replacement rather than repair. And they fail without warning. You come home to a warm refrigerator and hundreds of dollars of spoiled food. A November 2025 class action lawsuit alleges LG is still selling refrigerators with defective compressors and has been aware of the issue for years. One owner reported needing 5 compressor replacements on a single refrigerator. Another said their $2,000 LG lasted less than 2 years before complete failure. But the failure rate isn't even the worst part. The worst part is what happens when you try to get it fixed. LG's proprietary parts are expensive and sometimes difficult to source, extending repair time significantly. Repair technicians report that when they tell homeowners they have an LG refrigerator, many techs simply decline the job because dealing with LG warranty service is so painful. One technician said, "All the appliance repairmen don't want to work on it as soon as I tell them it's a Samsung or LG." The honest recommendation? If you absolutely must buy an LG, understand you're gambling. Some people get lucky and their LG runs perfectly for years. Others lose hundreds of dollars in spoiled food and spend weeks waiting for warranty repairs that don't fix the problem. The extended 10-year compressor warranty from the class action settlement helps, but it doesn't cover labor, and it doesn't bring back your spoiled groceries. Blacklist number 1. Samsung, the brand that repair techs refuse to touch. Samsung makes excellent phones and televisions. Their refrigerators have earned a reputation among independent repair technicians that should give anyone pause before buying. In fact, all 7 appliance repair experts in one comprehensive survey advised against choosing Samsung due to frequent issues and difficulty sourcing parts. The failure pattern is remarkably consistent across years of models and complaint data. Consumer Reports found more than 600 complaints about Samsung refrigerators reported to the Consumer Product Safety Commission between 2019 and 2021 alone. Of those, 211 cited food spoilage and 62 reported food poisoning. Samsung received more complaints during that time frame than any other manufacturer. Samsung has faced multiple class action lawsuits over refrigerator defects. One lawsuit alleged their French door refrigerators had defects preventing them from maintaining food-safe temperatures. The suit cited more than 600 complaints, with over 200 specifically mentioning food spoilage. Another lawsuit targeted ice maker defects causing leaks, slush, excessive freezing, and noise. The ice maker issue is so widespread it's become infamous. Samsung ice makers freeze over constantly, requiring owners to manually defrost them every few weeks. Forums are filled with people describing the same nightmare: ice buildup, water leaking, ice makers stopping entirely, technician visits that don't fix the problem, and Samsung refusing to acknowledge a design defect. But here's what really pushes Samsung to the bottom of the list. Independent repair technicians often flat out refuse to work on them. The training for Samsung appliances is restricted, parts are difficult to source, and the repair experience is so frustrating that many independent service companies simply won't take Samsung jobs. One owner reported that all the appliance repairmen don't want to work on it as soon as I tell them it's a Samsung. The 10-year compressor warranty sounds good until you realize it only covers the compressor part itself. Not labor, not refrigerant, not the diagnostic fee. So when your Samsung compressor fails at year 6, you're still looking at $500 to $800 out of pocket for a repair that may or may not work. The honest assessment: Samsung refrigerators have the highest complaint rate of any major brand. Repair technicians universally recommend against them. Class action lawsuits document systematic defects. Customer service is notoriously difficult. If you want a refrigerator that keeps food cold reliably for a decade, look elsewhere. Okay, enough negativity. Let's talk about the brands that repair technicians actually recommend to their own families. Recommended number 3. GE Appliances, the workhorse. GE lands at number 3 because, while their reliability has shown some fluctuation in recent data, they still offer something critical that Samsung and LG don't: excellent parts availability and service support. 3 out of 7 repair experts gave GE positive mentions specifically because replacement parts are usually in stock and customer service is better than most brands. When a GE refrigerator does need repair, you can actually get it fixed without waiting weeks for proprietary components. GE's basic models are especially solid. Repair technicians specifically recommend GE's entry-level top freezer and bottom freezer units for budget-conscious buyers who prioritize reliability over features. Many report servicing 20-year-old GE refrigerators that have never needed major repairs. Yale Appliance data shows GE's service rates have fluctuated: 11.6% in 2024, up to 19.2% in 2025. So they're not perfect. But the key advantage is repairability. GE uses standard compressor technology, parts are everywhere, and any qualified technician can work on them. The GE Profile line offers more features with reasonable reliability. The Cafe line is their premium offering with designer aesthetics. Both use proven technology rather than chasing gimmicks. Recommended number 2. Bosch, the European engineering. Bosch, a company with 135 years of history, is highly regarded for innovative features and consistent reliability. 2 of 7 repair experts rated Bosch as a top brand, and Yale Appliance data shows consistent performance. 12.5% service rate in 2025, 11.6% in 2024, 10.7% in 2023. A 2020 Pulse survey of repair technicians ranked Bosch as the 3rd most reliable appliance brand overall. That consistency matters when you're buying something that needs to run 24/7 for a decade or more. Bosch refrigerators are built with German engineering principles, precise temperature control, quality components, and designs that prioritize function over flashy features. While they do offer smart connectivity, they focus on core cooling technology rather than prioritizing giant touchscreens and gimmicks. They just keep food cold reliably. The counter-depth French door models are especially popular for their flush installation and consistent performance. The compressors are conventional proven technology, not experimental linear designs. Parts availability is good through authorized service networks. The downside is price. Bosch refrigerators cost more upfront than comparable Samsung or LG models. But if you're keeping your refrigerator for 10 to 15 years, the math works out. A $2,500 Bosch that lasts 12 years costs less per year than an $1,800 Samsung that fails at year 4. Recommended number 1. Whirlpool, the reliability champion. Whirlpool maintains the lowest overall failure rate of any major refrigerator brand at just 12% over 10 years, significantly better than the industry average of 25%. That's not marketing speak. That's data from repair technicians and Consumer Reports surveys spanning thousands of units. What makes Whirlpool stand out is their commitment to proven technology rather than chasing trends. While other brands rush to implement linear compressors and complex smart features, Whirlpool focuses on refining traditional compressor technology that's proven to last. Repair technicians specifically recommend Whirlpool's basic top freezer models, with many reporting seeing units from the 1990s still running perfectly. The Whirlpool WRT311FZDM top freezer model has a documented failure rate of just 8% over 5 years. Even Whirlpool's more feature-rich French door models maintain failure rates around 18%, still well below the industry average. Here's what repair technicians love about Whirlpool. Parts are everywhere, schematics are available, components are accessible, and any qualified tech can work on them. When something does eventually fail, repair is straightforward and affordable. Whirlpool also offers spare parts for at least 7 years after a model is discontinued. The honest assessment. Whirlpool refrigerators typically last 10 to 15 years with proper care. They're not the most exciting appliances in the showroom. No touch screens, no craft ice makers, no smart home integration. What you get is a refrigerator that keeps food cold reliably for over a decade without requiring you to learn how to manually defrost an ice maker every 2 weeks. Let me summarize what repair technicians actually think about refrigerator brands. Avoid Samsung, period. Highest complaint rates, class action lawsuits, ice maker nightmares, and technicians who refuse to work on them. The problems are systematic and well documented. Avoid LG unless you're prepared for the linear compressor lottery. Some units work fine, many don't. Multiple class action settlements haven't fixed the underlying issues, and warranty repairs are painful. Avoid Frigidaire Electrolux for anything above their basic models. Quality control has declined significantly, and you're gambling on inconsistent manufacturing at premium prices. Choose GE for solid reliability with excellent parts availability and service support. Choose Bosch for European engineering quality and consistent long-term performance. Choose Whirlpool for the best reliability data in the industry and decades of proven designs. Their basic top freezer models are what repair technicians buy for their own homes. The repair technicians I researched aren't trying to sell you anything. They fix refrigerators for a living, and they see the patterns that consumers don't. When multiple technicians independently say the same things about the same brands, that's data worth paying attention to. If this video helped you, hit subscribe. Secure links are in the description. I'll see you guys in the next one.